2010 Challenger. Rated most appealing midsize sports car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, keyless entry, traction control, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, hard disk drive media storage, cruise control, keyless start, floor mats, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, universal garage door opener, AM/FM stereo radio. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Your new ride is just a phone call away.